dripping Saint Laurent, she got the perfect face. Thumbing through the deck of 52 and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she mysterious like the aces.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. Welcome to another vlog. It is the 17th of October today and the Delhi University का third cutoff list came out yesterday and नई list आई है और अपने साथ नया confusion लेके आई है. Now I am getting into Hindu college as well as LSR college. मुझे पता नहीं मुझे खुश होना चाहिए या मुझे रोना चाहिए because I'm getting the top colleges. I'm getting freaking LSR, which is a big deal. LSR has such a major brand name. It's very well reputed and it's like the best for economics after SRCC. But the only concern is that it's a girls college, तो चलो कोई बात नहीं, but it's also off campus. Hindu on the other hand obviously is a co-ed college and it is in North Campus. So this is the major confusion now, that should I leave North Campus and choose LSR or should I just stick to North Campus? So as always we read a lot of answers from people on Quora etc. and everyone's saying the same thing कि हाँ दोनों same ही है, लेकिन LSR में the faculty, facilities etc. is better, but in Hindu it's co-ed and it's in the North Campus, so obviously it has more of the college life etc. So it's a very tough and a major decision. On the other hand, I'm also getting BCom honors in SRCC, but I am still not sure. But yeah, in today's vlog I am going to the South Campus. We're going to see the LSR college and what it looks like, what are its surroundings, and just explore the South Campus area. So let's go. But before I go, I know so many of you guys here are from the classes 6 to 12 and exams are coming up. So to help you prepare better for your exams, I want to let you know about Unacademy's Triple Dhamaka offer. In this offer, if you take a CBSE subscription of 12, 15 or 18 months, you get 4 months ka subscription free. And if you take a subscription for 24, 36 or 48 months, you get 6 months ka subscription free. And if you take a subscription for 60, 72 or 84 months, you get 8 months ka subscription free, which is just amazing. This offer is only valid till the 25th of October, so make the most of it. If you take the Plus subscription, you get Plus ke subscription ke extra months free, and if you take the Iconic subscription, you get Iconic subscription ke extra months free. The benefits of the Iconic subscription are that you get one-to-one homework help, you can book a slot with your mentor and they will help you to clear your doubts as well as make exam strategies. Each one of you will also be getting a personal mentor who will help you to solve your academic as well as unacademic problems. Each one of you will also be getting a study planner which will be made according to your strengths and weaknesses, and it will also help you to track your monthly progress. You'll also be getting weekly reports of all the activities you've done on the Unacademy app, and the scorecard of the tests given by the mentor will be available to you on your email ID. Along with all of this, you will also be getting Parents Connect, Assignments Corner as well as special sessions which will help in your career building. And along with this, the benefits of the Plus subscription are that you get unlimited access of the Plus subscription. India's top educators are going to be teaching you. You will have interactive live classes and test series and quizzes. Along with this, you will also be getting structured courses and PDFs. So according to me, all of you guys who are in the classes 6 to 12 should definitely get your hands on this offer. The link is in the description. Definitely check it out and use my code Ananya21 for additional 10% off. So from here the South Campus begins. The first college we saw was Motilal Nehru College. And as we moved ahead we saw Ramlal Anand College. And right after that we saw Aryabhatta College. So basically all these three colleges are very close by, definitely at a walkable distance. Just like North Campus, there is a Delhi University South Campus building as well. So a lot of the South Campus colleges are actually being renovated now. So there was a lot of construction work going on in a few colleges as well. And we have made it to the very famous Lady Shri Ram College. this is the Lady Sri Ram College. Obviously it's quite big. There's a garden here and looks nice. Sare DU ke colleges are same, only the red brick walls and all of that. This is really such a tough decision for us because I have to leave North Campus, but like just look at LSR as well. Like the college is really good, but फिर वही है कि North Campus में नहीं है ये college and that's so annoying यार. LSR को भी North Campus में बनाना चाहिए था. Oh, by the way, just look at LSR's logo, really cool. So this is LSR College from the back side. It has a back gate as well. So although our main aim of coming to South Campus was just to see LSR, but then we also went ahead and came to the Gargi College. This college was also like a 15-minute drive from LSR. इसमें भी renovation चल रहा है and right beside the Gargi College is the Kamala Nehru College. Both of these colleges are girls' colleges and random fact, I applied to Gargi College in the first list. And as most of you must be knowing, the Lajpat Nagar market is pretty close from all these colleges of South Campus. It is a 15-minute drive though. And obviously we had to come here for shopping because it's very famous and you get a lot of variety of things here. Like when I tell you, you get so many things, it's crazy. You can find Indian wear, Western wear, dresses, shoes, bags, accessories and whatnot. The list will just go on and on. Lajpat Nagar market is one of the oldest markets of Delhi, and the good thing about this market is that you can get things at very low prices as well, so it makes it super affordable for everyone. And we have made it to the very famous Dolma Auntie ke momos. As you can see, there is so much crowd here, it's insane. I had to come here to know what the hype was about, but honestly it's quite overrated. Hi guys, so I am back home from the South Campus tour. Actually it has been quite some time. We were just discussing about colleges because as you know, this is the toughest and even the most crucial decision I have to make right now. But anyway, talking about the South Campus, first of all वो campus नहीं है. When I tell you all the colleges are इतनी दूर walkable तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. As I showed previously, the three colleges Aryabhatta and Ramlal Anand Motilal, all of them are in a line, and then Gargi College and Kamala Nehru are together, and LSR तो पता नहीं कहीं है. कहीं LSR is in one corner, okay, and आसपास कुछ भी नहीं है. There is not a single cafe. When I tell you that, मतलब तुम्हें specially अलग से जाना पड़ेगा, like दिल्ली हाट जाना है या Greater Kailash या Satya Niketan, whatever is there आसपास. Now let's talk specifically about LSR. Again, this is just my perspective and this is according to my analysis. Your opinions can vary absolutely. So LSR ना बहुत बढ़िया college है. I am not going to deny that in terms of facility, faculty, infrastructure and crowd also maybe बहुत ही अच्छा college है. But the only problem personally that I thought was कि आसपास कुछ नहीं है. Being a DU aspirant, I'm sure all of you like me expect that DU campus life वाला thing. So if you really want that, LSR में वो नहीं मिलने वाला है for sure. I know somebody who has studied in LSR a few years back only, and वो खुद सामने से कह रही थी, like she says LSR is a very good college. Nothing beats that. But yes, when it comes to campus life, obviously you are not getting that. But बाकी तो सब बहुत मस्त है. It really comes down to what your end goal is. Like if your end goal is really कि हाँ हमें तो job ही करनी है, we need that brand value or we need that LSR का tag, then you have to go for it. Obviously you will have to give up on something. अब कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ तो खोना पड़ेगा वाला scene है LSR के साथ, because the placements and all are very good. It's like college देख लो या campus life देख लो या course देख लो. So there are too many things to evaluate, but let's see. Anyway, on a lighter note, as you saw, I went to the Lajpat Nagar market क्योंकि वो पास में था, तो जाना तो था ही, and I did some shopping because how do I control myself? इतना सस्ता मिल रहा है सब कुछ Lajpat Nagar market में. But yeah, the first thing I got is this pair of white jeans. It's sort of ripped. It's a high-waisted loose jeans, which is exactly what I wanted. I don't have a white pair of jeans, and that's so annoying because कभी-कभी सिर्फ white pair of jeans चाहिए होती है. And I got this for I think 200 rupees, which is great. The quality is definitely not bad. The next thing I got is this really pretty purple colored sort of culotte pants basically. They are loose fitted, super comfortable, so I was like I should buy this. Again, I got this for I think 200 rupees. Great quality, so definitely worth it. So the next thing I bought is this sort of tie-dye full sleeve t-shirt, and again I have been wanting tie-dye t-shirts for really long, and you won't even believe how much I got this for. It's for just 150 rupees. Can you believe that? There was this one shop, मतलब कुछ भी ले लो 150 में. So I found this piece. It looked really cool. I love the color. It's tie-dye, full sleeve. Winters are coming, so this is perfect. So the next thing is something my mom bought. She bought this really pretty blue colored kurti set. So this is the kurti and these are the pants with it, and this was just for 500 rupees. The quality is also great. It's of the cotton material. In fact, that shop really had a lot of colors, designs to choose from, and just for 500 rupees this set is totally worth it. So the next thing I bought are these really pretty mask chains. The first one is this really pretty artificial gold one. As you can see, it is on the thicker side. Then we bought another one which is comparatively much thinner and lightweight as well. This one has this design going on here, and baki ka chain is gold, and the second last one is also a gold one, and the last one we got is this one. It has this pearl design going on, and baki the chain is same again, golden. I think golden chains just look really pretty in general and they go with every outfit. And lastly, I got these 3 nail polishes. So this is like a lime yellow green color, this is a sage or pastel green, and a golden color. So ideally these were for 30 rupees each, but then I got all 3 for 80 rupees, so not bad for these nail polishes. And as most of you must be knowing, I'm very much into nail art nowadays, so I really require different colors, etc. And yeah, that's all the stuff I bought. Honestly though, you can just keep shopping in the Lajpat Nagar market because इतना बड़ा है, इतनी variety है, इतना सस्ता मिल रहा है, कितनी भी shopping कर लो मन तो भरने नहीं वाला anyway भी. So for now this is it. I'm gonna end the vlog. If you made it till here, comment these emojis so I know you're the real one. And I'm really enjoying making these vlogs, and I hope you guys are enjoying watching all of these DU related vlogs too. And if you are, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.